Hello and welcome to the Morning Bulletin. This is Amina and you're watching HW News English. Now it's time to dive into the top stories of the morning. US President Donald Trump has announced a 35% tariff on Canadian imports. The new tariff is set to take effect on August 1, 2025. Trump has called this as a response to Canada's retaliation and ongoing trade barriers. Trump also outlined his reasons for the tariff hike. Trump also warned that he is planning to impose blanket tariffs of 15% or 20% on remaining trade partners. And so far, Trump has released letters to 22 countries outlining new tariff rates. The interim government of Bangladesh has scrapped a directive that required female government officials to be addressed as Sir. The decision was made during a meeting of the Advisory Council. The official notice criticized the earlier rule by Sheikh Hasina. It stated this practice is socially and institutionally inappropriate and undesirable. Now, the Bangladesh government has also announced the formation of a review committee to look into how officials should be addressed properly in future. The Delhi High Court has paused the release of the controversial film Udaipur Files. The film was scheduled to hit theatres on July 11th. The division bench of Chief Justice D.K. Upadhyay and Justice Tushar Rao directed the petitioner to approach the centre government within 2 days under Section 6 of the Cinematograph Act. This act empowers the centre to revise CBFC certification decisions. The court has ordered that the release of the film shall remain until the centre decides on any application for interim relief. Comedian Kapil Sharma's Cabs Cafe in Canada was attacked last night. Khalisani terrorist Harjeet Singh has claimed responsibility for the firing. He is the most wanted terrorist listed by the National Investigation Agency NIA. He is associated with the banned group Babar Khalsa International. The police said that they are probing the shooting and looking into connections with other incidents. The cafe in a statement said that the incident has left them shocked and they won't be giving up and will stand firm against any kind of violence. Well, that's all for the morning bulletin. Till then, keep watching HW News English.